to remove your credit card details on Facebook. The first thing you want to do is go to settings. By going to settings, click on your account and then settings and privacy and then click settings. Now on the left portion of your screen you will be able to see Meta Account Center. What you need to do is to click on see more in Accounts Center. Now on Account Center, this part, if you already set up a payment method on your Facebook account, it will automatically show here. Now since I did not set up any payment method on my profile, I'm just gonna walk you through. So if you see payments right here, you'll just have to click on that and then you will be routed to the page ads payments. So once you click on that, you will be routed to ads manager. Now that will be the interface of your card information, and all you have to do is scroll down to payment methods. You will see three dots. Click on that and then choose remove. It will say, are you sure you want to remove the information? And just click yes. So that's how you remove your Facebook credit card's information.